Good afternoon everyone. I am from Nandachaya Vidyaniketan School, subject EVS 2, topic Shivaji's education, made by Miss Jennifer Lanier. Standard 4, subject EVS 2, topic Shivaji's education. So let's learn today about Shivaji, how he had got education in his olden days. Beginning of Shivaji's education. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. He became skilled in the art of reading and writing. Shaji Raje was a scholar of Sanskrit. Shivaji used to read Mahabharata, Ramayana and Bhagavad. Teachers were appointed teaching Shivaji to ride horses, to wrestle, to use the swords and danpata. By the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with the different branches of learning and arts. So see, he was 7 years old when he started reading and writing. So his daddy was scholar in Sanskrit. So he read the books of Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bhagavata. Teachers were appointed him for horse riding, wrestles, swords and danpata. And a lot of many things he had learned in his childhood when he was 7 years old. So after that, when he became 12 years, there were different branches of science and he learned of arts and all the other things whichever was told by the great people, which Jijabai was giving knowledge also. She was describing the stories. Rejuvenations of Pune. Shivaji returned to Pune along with Jijabai. People living Mavlas region were called as Mavlas. Pune at that time was not such a big city. It consisted of damaged buildings, people and field from the villages, and the fields were barren. Once people came to know that Jijabai and Shivaji were living in Pune, Jijabai called them and assured the people they would be safe. Since after people started settling in Pune, cultivating with their lands and their own towns was again struggling with peoples. So when Jijabai came back to Pune, all the peoples were there who had taken, who ran away, who were very afraid of the enemy, so they ran away. So when they saw that Jijabai and Shivaji Maharaj returned, they also came back. And what did Jijabai saw? That all the houses, forts, temples were damaged. Grains, grass, everything, all it was looking like a khandar. So later on, Shivaji Maharaj was studying and Jijabai took the decision that Shivaji Maharaj will get all the knowledge whatever she wanted to give. Achievements of Dadaji Kondev. Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jag. He was the Subedar of Kondana. Also, he encouraged peace since Dadaji gave them concession in the land tax for a few years. He offered prizes for destroying the wolf who infested the countryside and harassed the peasants. Dadaji fixed the land of ruin according to the qualities of soil. He thus made people happy. So Dadaji Kondev was looking after Pune Jagir. When Jijabai came, he told everything whatever he had done. So later on, when whoever killed the wolves, he was giving prizes to them. So all things were cleared later on in Pune city. So later on, Dadaji Kondev was also happy, as well as Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai also was happy to stay there. That all the facilities were very good when Dadaji Kondev had given to them. So Dadaji Kondev was very nice. He was strict. He was good. What Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji Maharaj? Let's see. Jijabai was no ordinary woman. She was not an ordinary woman because she was Lakhoji Rajada's daughter as well as Shaji Raje's wife, so she had seen each and every politics which was going in the world. Jijabai would say Shivaji that he was the ancestors of Rama and Sri Krishna, and the way both brought relief to the people. You should also destroy the wicked and make your subject happy. Jijabai inspired Shivaji to become and courage and brave. So Shivaji Maharaj taught him to become a courage person, as well as gave the example how Rama had killed Ravan, how Sri Krishna had killed Kans. In same way, you also have to be brave and be fighter to the enemies. That enemies will get frightened and run away. So Jijabai gave lot of knowledge, lot of stories to Shivaji Maharaj. The new regimes of Shivaji new regime started under the guidance of Jijabai. Shaji Raje sent some very important and precious people to help Shivaji. They were Samrat Nilkhand Peshwa, Balkrishna Hamte, Muzaffar Manukoji, Sopant Dabir. They helped Shivaji to govern his Jagir efficiently. The Mavlas also a glimpse of future Swaraj. So there were many people who helped Shivaji Maharaj. They also gave knowledge to Shivaji Maharaj how to fight, how to take each and everything. So Mavlas got glimpse in future of Swaraj. So Mavlas were the part of Swaraj in the future. So Shivaji Maharaj also was very happy to see that these people were helping me so much. And who had sent these people? Shaji Raje. Shaji Raje had sent these people with Shivaji Maharaj. And then Shivaji Maharaj got lot of guidance. Friends and the YouTuber who are watching my video, like my video and subscribe my channel on the YouTube.